came here on Tuesday, and here to do stuff with Digicel, because they've been a great sponsor. And they always look after me. They get me engaged with the community and doing a lot of public things, and then I'm here to see my granddad. Klaus Stansner, who's a little sick, and just second baby girl. Her name is Shiloh. The first one was Elizabeth. After the fight, coming back home to your family, but then also to meet your daughter, who you've never met before, was I missed both births, so I came back from training and fighting and met both my daughters after the fights. And so, man, I'm excited to go back home and spend time with them. But for Father's Day, I just want to spend time with the girls and quality time. Because when I go back into camp, I'm going to miss them a lot. So I think it's as long as I have the support from family, from my partner, then I can. Because I'm doing this for New Zealand and Samoa, but I'm also doing it for our family. I'm doing it so I can give them a better future. So one of those things where you don't want to miss out on these special moments in life, but then again, you're trying to give them a good future and you're trying to provide for them. So I think it's not the best missing out, but I think as long as I can look after them, I'm happy. I'm still fighting until I said I'm going to fight until I'm 30 or 31. I'm still young. I'm 26, and just because I had 2 losses doesn't mean it's the end of the world. I think what I do from here onwards, it's like a new beginning. And so I have to work my way up again. I have to build back up. I have to get some good wins under my belt. I think 2 or 3 fights, and I can fight for the title again. And I want to be 2-time world champion. I want to be 3-time world champion. I want to be unified champion. So I think as long as everyone supports us and what we're trying to achieve and come along for the ride, then I'm just going out there to do my best and make our countries proud.